Hello guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com. You can see this is official website of the Gigabyte motherboard. So click on search. You can see here in the right side. Then enter your model number of your required B760M DS3H WIFI6E DDR generations 5. Then hit enter. Click on product. Then click on motherboard title. In updating, you can see this is open automatically new tab. Then click on support. So select operating system which is required, means Windows 10, 11 and like that. So if any, so this is installations process same. You can see this video and then install it. Okay. Audio driver, and this is size. Just click to download. You can see after click the downloading, then it is start downloading here. I am also downloaded. You can see 165. This is after audio driver downloaded. Just open, and this is extract CX exe drive. So you have double click and wait few seconds to extract to your system for installation. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed, and then close it.